So what is up, everybody? We are back today and we're going to talk a little bit about some of the stuff. So we posted out a video on our TikTok and some other stuff as far as some of the stuff we do for Amsoil now. So we sell some of the Amsoil products, and I started doing this because I started testing some of it and using it. Really great product so far from what I found. We first started doing it on the Harley Davidson, and when we first tested I noticed a 15-degree difference on how much cooler it ran when I actually was using it. So that's why I decided to kind of jump on this and start testing out some of the products, and that's kind of where I became an independent dealer as I started moving along and seeing how some of the stuff works. So today we are actually going to be doing the truck. So we did the Bronco already, and what we're doing is we're using this engine and transmission flush. And this engine and transmission flush, whoops. This engine and transmission flush, what it does is it helps breaks up the carbon, helps break up any deposits, anything like that inside the oil right before you change the oil. So you typically run this about 10 to 15 minutes before you go and change the oil. And then from there, you just drain all the oil, change your filter, make sure you drain as much oil as you can, let it drain until it pretty much stops. Put fresh oil into it, and away we go. So that's what we're going to do today, and we're going to see how dirty this oil is and go from there.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so now that we have it all warmed up, it ran for about 15 minutes, but typically the reason why I'm showing you this kind of stuff is you guys at home can do this kind of stuff. That's what's really nice about these home kits is you can go and purchase this stuff and pretty much change it yourself. If you got the tools, like this truck here, I'm not going to have to lift it because it's already lifted up. And we have here, get that camera, we have here the kit that I'm actually doing the $10 buy-in that we're going to be giving away. And this is the diesel oil max duty protection with the engine flush, little portable funnel, and then also the Wix filter from Amsoil. And so yeah, we're going to get this all changed out. Now when you do this, let it cool down a little bit because that oil is going to be super hot, especially if you've been driving it all day. But if you just do a cold start, not too much of a difference. But yeah, just use caution when you're doing this. So, and just like that, we are all done. Typically takes about 15-20 minutes to do an oil change. It took us about 45 because we let it run for about 15 minutes. Had to drain all the fluid out of it, wait for it to get completely dry, top it back off. While we were doing that, we cleaned up a few things and went through some stuff. So yeah, I'm hoping you guys like the video. I'm hoping it's educational. We'll put some more information on the Amsoil engine and transmission flush. So if you guys decide you want to try it out, give it a shot. Put the link down below if you guys want to try to order it up and get it from us or not. Your call. But yeah, take care of your equipment. It'll take care of you. Peace.